Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. We're going to do some coasters. Today I'm going to use Lett's resin, epoxy for coasters, the regular, and ocean white pigment paste, a couple of drops in my ounce or so, and of resin for piping. And I'm going to use melon, octopus, resin ink, and yellow Lett's resin ink. My cup is warmed up. It's been 27 minutes. It's 104 degrees, so we're ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to use my Resiners curing machine. I love this. It's great for curing quickly. It takes 2 hours, and you can do a second layer, and it just really speeds up your whole process. It's an amazing machine. It's made for different levels of heights. The way the machine is built, it has different levels so that you don't, touch the molds or anything like that. This does not hold 5-inch coaster molds like a set of 4. It's not big enough. It does the 4-inch or so for 4 molds. You could do larger ones, but you could only do 2 or maybe 3 if you stagger them. So I'm gonna press and hold. It's starting at 2 hours, and then it'll have a cool down phase, and then it'll be ready to work on the next level, and then I'll be back. Okay, it's been several hours. Let's unmold. Here we go. Got a little bit of blobbies, but they're still really pretty. So there they are. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Comment if you would like to, and even if you'd like to suggest a color combination, I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Love you all.